A lot of people ask me, what do I feed my dogs? So I feed my dogs the raw diet. So today it's beef, usually it's tripe, that's smellier the better. And what I do is I measure out how much they're going to eat depending upon which dog it is. I let it defrost, and then for their gut I actually bake some sweet potato. I put a bit of sweet potato in, and then I put some lettuce and some celery, some apple and any other veggies, raw broccoli, because people don't understand that in the wild dogs would always kill a rabbit and go straight away to its gut for the vegetation, and we need to actually give vegetation to our dogs. So please remember that they do need veggies. So anyway, there's the 3. Now I'm actually just going to put in a homeopathic remedy for Clara. She's having chelidonium because she's had a bit of a funny liver because she's on some medications. And Dennis is having some tissue salts because he had an interdigital cyst. And then we're going to eat this, and I'll show you Dennis's party trick. Dennis! Okay, Dad, go wipe your face. Nice manners. Wipe your face, please. Wipe your face. Good boy. Oh, that's beautiful. Wipe your face. Oh, Nelson, wipe your face. Oh, good boy. Wipe your face. Good boy. Nelson. Nelson. Come on. Yay.